All right, this question has us adjusting some levels. So we open the file, create modify levels, go to the east elevation, which is right down here. And we are supposed to adjust level 2 to read 9 feet 6 inches. Okay, and then we're going to place another level 3 foot 9 inches above level 2. So how we do that is we go to level and we start, we don't click anything, and we just type in the height that we want to go, 3 feet 9 inches, and then we click enter, and now we're drawing our next level, level 3. For verification, the test wants to know what is the resulting level of level 3, or what is the height of level 3, and of course that will be 13 feet and 3 inches.